Dental crowns are a common dental procedure used to restore a tooth's shape, size, and strength. They are often recommended by dentists to protect or cover a tooth that is weakened, decayed, or damaged. While the process of getting a dental crown may seem simple, there is actually a lot of science and precision involved in ensuring its longevity and functionality. In this video, we will explore the science behind dental crown placement and discuss the key factors that can affect its success. We will also provide tips on how to maintain and care for your dental crown to ensure it lasts for many years to come. The anatomy of a dental crown. Before we dive into the science behind dental crown placement, let's first understand what a dental crown is and how it works. A dental crown is a cap or covering that is placed over a damaged or decayed tooth to restore its shape, size, and functionality. It is custom made to fit your tooth perfectly and is typically made from materials such as porcelain, ceramic, metal, or a combination of these. Dental crowns are designed to mimic the natural shape and appearance of a tooth, and they are cemented in place to provide long-lasting protection. They can also improve the strength and alignment of your teeth, allowing you to chew and bite with ease. The science behind dental crown placement. The process of placing a dental crown involves several steps, each of which is crucial to ensuring its longevity and functionality. Here is a breakdown of the science behind dental crown placement. 1. Tooth preparation. Before a dental crown can be placed, the tooth must be prepared to accommodate the crown. This involves removing any decayed or damaged parts of the tooth and shaping it to fit the crown properly. The amount of tooth structure that is removed during this process is critical, as it can affect the strength and longevity of the crown. 2. Impressions. Once the tooth is prepared, an impression of the tooth and surrounding teeth is taken. This impression is used to create a custom-made crown that fits your tooth perfectly. The accuracy of the impression is crucial, as even small discrepancies can lead to an ill-fitting crown. 3. Crown fabrication. The impression is sent to a dental laboratory, where the crown is fabricated. The materials used to make the crown are carefully chosen to ensure strength, durability, and a natural appearance. The crown is then sent back to the dentist for placement. 4. Temporary crown. While the permanent crown is being made, a temporary crown may be placed to protect the prepared tooth. This temporary crown is usually made from a resin material and is designed to last until the permanent crown can be placed. 5. Crown placement. Once the permanent crown is ready, it is cemented in place using a special bonding agent. The fit of the crown is checked to ensure it aligns with the surrounding teeth and doesn't interfere with your bite. Any adjustments are made before the crown is securely placed. 6. Bite adjustment. After the crown is placed, your dentist will check your bite to ensure that it is properly aligned. Small adjustments may be made to ensure that your teeth come together correctly when you bite down. Maintaining your dental crown. Now that you have a better understanding of the science behind dental crown placement, it is important to know how to take care of your crown to ensure its longevity and functionality. Here are some tips on how to maintain your dental crown. Practice good oral hygiene by brushing and flossing regularly. Avoid hard or sticky foods that can damage the crown. Visit your dentist for regular checkups and cleanings. Avoid habits such as grinding your teeth or chewing on hard objects. If you notice any pain or discomfort with your crown, see your dentist as soon as possible. By following these tips and taking care of your dental crown, you can ensure that it remains strong, functional, and aesthetically pleasing for many years to come. Dental crowns are a valuable dental treatment that can help restore the strength, appearance, and functionality of your teeth. By understanding the science behind dental crown placement and taking proper care of your crown, you can enjoy the benefits of a healthy and beautiful smile. If you are considering getting a dental crown or have recently had one placed, be sure to follow the tips outlined in this video to ensure its longevity and functionality. Remember, your smile is worth investing in, so take the time to care for your dental crown and maintain good oral hygiene habits.